Alright guys, so I was out here yesterday. I made a video. I've got this is out on the edge of my property. And I've got this bucket here of bees wax that I'm just letting the bees clean it up. That's just cappings from some honey I just took. But this thing was absolutely covered in bees yesterday. But really what this video is about is this stuff here. It's getting all over my legs. I'm literally walking through this. Outside of looking for a copperhead, this is about the only other thing I look for, and that's poison ivy. And typically I don't really walk through it like this, you know, but since I'm making this video, there's some right there. I thought I'd make it. So I thought I'd show you how I prevent getting the itchy rash. So we've got to walk over here to my house. That's where we're headed next. Kids trail here. We're gonna walk over to the house. I don't know if you can see down there's my bees. There's some woods. But there's nothing to see between here and there really. Let me stop this. I'll get the video going once I get to the house. All right, so we're walking up on the house. And I just thought I would show you how I handle poison ivy. So you're gonna turn your water on. It's on. And so the way poison ivy works basically is it's got urushiol in it. I just got it all over the hose. But that oil with the crystals and all that it's all over my Crocs. It's all over my legs. That water's been on, it's kind of warm. So what I'm gonna do, hit yourself a little bit of water, and it's easier when you're not making a YouTube video. Get yourself a little bit of Dawn. Splash that stuff in your hand, just like this. And wash. So I don't know today's date. It's Thursday, the 25th, 26th, something like that. Whatever the Thursday near the 25th is. I'm gonna go an extra step right here. What I'm gonna do, since I walked all around in that with these shoes, I'm gonna get a little Dawn on the shoes. And I'm gonna clean off all that oil. Because if I don't clean these shoes tomorrow or the next day, that oil's gonna stay on that, because that crocky surface there is gonna retain that oil for a bit. So you wanna wash. And I think that's typically what happens to people, is that they don't know that they came in contact with poison ivy. That's probably the #1 cause of poison ivy problems. Let's just do this. Let's wash my leg with the Croc. So see, we're just, removes grease on contact. That's what this stuff does. I mean, if it's good enough for baby ducks, rest in peace, Memorial Pool duck. If you know, you know, but so that's really all you do. I'm gonna get the backs of these legs. You just take your hose. My kids have been in it, which is why it's not coiled up. You rinse yourself off. I'm about to go to the lake. That's why we're in our bathing suit here. But if you're wondering what's up with that toe, that's the result of wearing flip-flops in a metal shop. Pretty sure I broke that bad boy, but whatever. All right. Spray that off, and I'll be absolutely amazed if I pick up any poison ivy from any of this. All right then, thanks for watching.